In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to turn on file and printer sharing in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So first things first, you need to proceed here at the search box, and here please type for panel. Once you've typed it, please wait until you get to see a best match, which is a control panel, before we can continue. Once it's here, please navigate to the right side and click on open to proceed. Here at the control panel window, you'd be able to see your computer settings like this. And if your view doesn't look like exactly in my case, you need to navigate to view by, click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once set, you need to navigate to the option called Network and Sharing Center. In my case, it is being placed here at the third column next to indexing options. Now click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to view your basic information and set up connections. Please proceed to the left pane and locate for this option, which is Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you'd be navigated to this new window where here you need to navigate to the public private network first, and there you can see file and printer sharing. So aligning to it, you can see there a switched option. Please turn it on. So if in your case it is being off, turn it on, and in that way you'd be able to turn on or enable file and printer sharing and their private networks. Once you're good with here, once you are done with here, please navigate to the public networks, click on this down arrow key, and there you can see file and printer sharing, turn it on as well. So if in your case it is being off, turn it on. And here at the all networks, click on here. And if you have seen printer sharing here, please click on turn it on as well. Once you are good with all of the settings here, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.